Tapos ng New Year, balik tayo sa isda, gulay, seaweed, and brown rice. Brown rice and yogurt with cucumber, with nuts and cherry and almond. Kalaos sa New Year, balik tayo sa healthy ulit. Healthy eating ulit. Brown rice. Fresh garlic. Fresh garlic cloves. Garlic. Seaweed.